Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn 3 words from alphabet A to I. Let's start learning with me. A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for axe. B for ball, B for boy, B for butterfly. C for car, C for camel, C for caterpillar. D for donkey, D for dolphin, D for door. E for egg, E for ear, E for eagle. F for fish, F for frog, F for flower. G for guava, G for girl, G for goat. H for hat, H for hen, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream, I for igloo. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe and share for more videos.